Hello everyone. Those who doesn't know me, I am Abhishek Garg from Dhal Healthcare Private Limited. We have formed this company in year 2020 in the month of August. The main objective of forming this company is to ensure protection for all healthcare professionals with good quality products and services. Today, the objective of making this video is to showcase our products what we deal with, primarily LED X-ray viewers, radiation protection apparels, lead sheets, and lot of other accessories. So we like to show you practically how it works and how the product look like. So I will start with first product, LED X-ray viewer. If you see this product, we have a full range starting from single panel, double panel, triple panel, and quad panel. So we have full range of products. The USPs or the unique points I must highlight in this is that we have the maximum number of LEDs in our LED viewer box, which nobody is having, like 365 LEDs embossed on the view box as backlight, right? If you see the resolution, we have the highest resolution in India as of now. No, none of the companies who is making view boxes, either it is imported one or Indian make in India, do not have such resolutions what we have. We even have to ensure that power supply should not fail or the LED should not get hampered during fluctuation of the light. We have given a fuse in this. If you see here, we have given a fuse. If at all there is any fluctuation in the light, we try to ensure that the fuse should get fault first. If you can see here, it's a small fuse which helps to protect from the fluctuation of the light, but still we prefer that the earthing should be proper or should be less than 2 volt. Now let me start with the product. We have a dimmer facility. If you see the resolution of this view box, it has the maximum resolution in India as of now, and we have the facility to get the density up and down as per the convenience. Now, the primary role of ViewBox is to see the films which we get print out through CR or DR and to diagnose the actual problem or disease with any of the patient and give the proper treatment. So, if the resolution is not good with the view boxes, we say that we might miss some of the details or some of the information which is necessary to understand in the film or during the diagnosis. So if you see, this is basically a double panel view box. So the important point, one more thing is that if we on only one panel in this, the light will not flow in the second panel. If you see, the light is not coming or flowing out of the single panel. The one panel will only work for one panel, which is 14 by 17. So the two panel, if we talk, it is 28 by 17 inch, but the second panel, if we switch off the first panel, the second panel light will also not go or flow off to the first one. You can see, you can check at your own in this. Oh, something bad is there. That's fine. So if I on both the panels, you can see the uniformity, which is very subjective in most of the cases. That uniformity in which we claim it that it is almost 99% uniform from edges to the center. You can see at your own, and most of the companies do not have such facility to provide uniform resolution. Now come on to the single panel. This is the single one. Again, in this also, if you see, the resolution is 100% uniform. It has total of 365 LEDs embossed on the view box, right, with 100% resolution. The same dimmer facility is there, same fuse facility is there. You can switch it on, switch it off, and if I put the film on this, you can judge the resolution of the film which we can get in terms of diagnosis. At any point of time, you can dim the light. At any point of time, you can increase the light. So the actual resolution will be there. So this is all about LED view box that we deal with, or rather we manufacture it. under the brand name of Dhal, right, where we provide 100% accuracy, consistency, and quality in the product. But we request to all the users to ensure proper earthing or power supplies, so the inbuilt power supply did not get faulty. Now moving on to another range of product which is very I must say important for any of the healthcare professionals who deal with radiation. Now radiation means the machines like cath lab, C-arm, X-ray, or mammography, OPG. All these machines emit X-ray. So those who are very close to primary radiation, you can say those who are come under, those who are very close to the primary radiation, and some are close to the secondary radiation, because almost 30 to 35% of secondary radiations flow in the room. So it is very important to be protected from those radiations, which we call it ionized radiations, from such apparels. Now we are talking on to radiation protection apparels. So we have a full range of radiation protection apparels under the name of Dhal, and I like to show you, because these apparels come basically into three different you can say type of materials. Some are economical, some are the premium ones which are affordable, and some are very expensive, which generally in India I have seen that people don't buy because of the cost. But the economical ones are not the only solution for all the healthcare professionals to buy it. Now let me show you the actual difference. If we come with the first range of product, which is the economical one, and I must say this is a rubber lead apron. It has a limitation and it has advantages both. If we talk of advantages, the advantage is that it is economical. Anyone can buy, anyone can afford, anyone can use. But the limitation is that it is hard in material. If you see, it is very hard in material. It has a limitation. It has a limitation of long life. After continuous use and not keeping it well in the rooms or not hanging it well every time, it start giving cracks in the sheets, which nobody recognizes from outside the body of the apron. So it need to be screened every time after 6 months or one year, so that if at all it develops any cracks between the apron or the whole apron, it should be removed immediately. Otherwise, unnecessary using these aprons will not fulfill the purpose of protecting your body. So it has an advantage of economical, but it has disadvantage of long life, inconsistency of lead. Most of the time I have seen that local aprons are available in the market which are not AERB approved and do not have consistent lead equivalency from top to bottom. But we make sure as Dhal that do have consistency in all the products. So this is the economical one, which is rubber lead apron. It has a length of 60 by 100. 60 from chest size and length is 100 centimeters. Now moving on to another product, which is, let me just put it back in the box. Now we have another, which is the premium one. Why we call it as a premium? Because it is in lead vinyl. The quality is very superior, and anyone, any doctor or technical staff or healthcare professional can use it even in the cath labs, even on C-arm or on CT or X-ray, whatever you say. And it is, the best part is that it is very flexible. If I fold it like this, there will be no crack at all on this product, I can ensure. And the life is more than, I can say, 2 years or 3 years depending on the uses. This also comes in the length of 60 by 100. The best part with this product that it has a long life, high flexibility in the product, continuous the accuracy and consistency of lead equivalency. If I am saying this is 0.5 mm, then from top to bottom it will be 0.5 consistent. It has a combination of different metals like lead, bismuth or tungsten or antimony. Every company has a different combinations into it, right? And you can see the flexibility. If I don't want to remove it and want to rest on a chair, I can easily do it because it will not break, it will not crack. But still I would suggest to have a screening of these aprons also every after 6 months to make sure that you're getting proper results from the product. Later on, we have, just a second. In this same premium range, in the same premium quality, which is lead vinyl, we have full wrap apron also. So full wrap apron, generally it is heavy in weight. The weight is approximately 5.5 kgs. But because of flexibility, and we put a shoulder pads also in this. If you see, we give a shoulder pad to make sure to distribute the weight of the apron. But it, if you see, I just wear it. It has a both side protection, front and the back both. The lead equivalency on the front side will be 0.5 mm and at the back side will be 0.25 mm. Now see, I have wear it. You can adjust the elastic also as per your comfort. We have given. Now it gives protection from back and from the front both. Again, because this is multi-layer imported sheet material, it has huge flexibility in this. Again, with the help of the shoulder pads, the weight has been distributed. Now I don't feel any weight of 5.5 kg I have wear into it. I can even sit. I can easily sit, I can get up. There is no issue. And I am sure that this will not crack at all, even after multiple uses. But still, I would recommend to screen the apron every after 6 months, either on cath lab or CT, to ensure that you are using the right product. Now with this, we have multiple accessories also, because these aprons will only protect the front side of the body. Now we have thyroid, which is again into lead vinyl. If you see, we put the sticker also, lead vinyl 0.5 mm PB, right? It's very easy to wear and very comfortable. Very comfortable. You can see, you can move your head at any direction. Sometimes we see that if we use the rubber lead aprons or rubber lead thyroid collars, it's very rigid, it's very hard. You cannot move your neck easily. And every time if you have to go somewhere, you have to remove it. But with this, I can do anything. I can even write, I can even do procedures, anything can be done with this. Other than this, we have to protect the reproductive organs of the male. We have made the gonal sheet also. This is with 1 mm. Gonal sheet, lead vinyl again, it's into multi-layer, right? And we have ovarian sheet also for the women's, to protect the reproductive organs. So these three are the separate accessories which anyone can buy. Other than this, we have made a full brochure of radiation related to radiation protection products, starting with the range of aprons, the details, the type of material, the size which are available, and the accessories which can be taken, including head cap, thyroid collar, eye protection, abdomen sheet, breast shield, or gloves, or even protection barriers which can be used in ICUs and ICUs or X-ray rooms. Then we have an apron stand also with us, which basically helps to increase the life of the apron. Right? After this, we have even lead sheets also, which we call it as a lead lining, which is required mainly to be put on the walls of the room where the X-ray equipment is being used, right? So we do provide that also. So I must say that we have to make sure that whatever products we use should be good in quality, accurate, consistent, and long life. Because ultimately life is ours. we have to ensure that how we can protect our life. Radiations is very very harmful. Sometimes if we don't use aprons or such accessories, it can harm the cancer also. The bones get damaged, but it will not affect immediately, but for a longer duration at certain particular time you will start feeling that something is wrong in the body. So we have to make sure. We have made full website on this, which is dhalindia.com. Anytime you can visit there. All brochures are available on the website. All details are there on the website, and we will time to time update you with new studies also related to radiation protection appearance. So you are free to call us anytime on our through our website also, or through the telephone number also, or even on WhatsApp also. We are happy to help you out and make you aware about the new technologies available in the market. Thank you very much. Have a good day.